What day or what environment have we been in for the whole day? We've been in a trading range environment. One could make an argument that, and this is quite an important argument, is that's buying over here at 1. This is buying over here at 2. This is buying over here at 3. And this is the buying over here at 4. That's the worst buying we've seen at this level, agreed? So would we take it? And why? I just want to bring you to attention that I was indeed analoging these, and I hope you guys were as well. And it is the weakest buying, but give me a reason to why you would trade it. What do you see on the chart? Yes, move down was less bearish. Okay. Choppiest weakest selling. Ah, well done. Give that man a gold star. We analog 1, we analog 2, we analog 3. It's the weakest individual buying bar at 4. We can read this. However, what do you think of 2-bar analog? It's stronger, isn't it? Someone said it isn't a spring. Right, yes. Now, we've got to talk about this. First of all, it is a spring of this over here. Yeah. This is the testing action. It's springing over here. However, we've got to be thinking in terms of it's a 2-bar analog of the demand that we see at yesterday's low. Individually, the weakest buying bar. It's the strongest 2-bar pattern because we retrace almost all of this previous bar. We don't get that any of these bars. And couldn't you not say that that is a change of character bar since this downtrend began over here? And we're holding yesterday's low. We're not testing down here. One very important piece of information that I've been stressing all day. Well done. We're coming in to this over here on 50% lower volume. When you look at it at face value in terms of the individual bar, and you're thinking, oh, it's so much weaker than these bars, as I did. When you look at the 2-bar, you look at the context that that is the weakest selling. We have the 2-bar analog, I might add. We hold the higher low. We do have a price rejection of yesterday's low. We do spring over here. And of course, the approach is on much lower volume than this over here. So all in all, yes, we can buy that bar. Isn't it wonderful trading today, guys? I think this is the trickiest trade because I think people might be just quickly eyeballing it, not paying attention, and actually saying it's a weaker analog. But they're not listening to all the other pieces of information. Suffice to say, I'm buying.